Morning everybody, it is Monday morning, busy week this week. We may have a container arriving to the site this week, just to keep some old sort of junk and stuff like that in the container instead of upstairs, so that's getting sorted. Haggie's got the coughs today, as he's coughing for some attention. Haggie, are you coughing for attention? Yeah. Is your car arriving tomorrow?
It is indeed, but I think, to be fair, I think the cost from the Cupra from yesterday was always out hammered and all that, and the fumes and stuff like that is probably not the best car because obviously the fumes come in the cabin and all that. So
from Hamid's car, from yours?
Not from mine.
No.
So
he drives a Cupra diesel. Is it a diesel?
Petrol.
I'm just joking.
It's
Petrol. So yeah, so Haggie's car's coming tomorrow, so Haggie's going to update us on that and do the vlog. Caroline came last week, as you saw on the videos. Couple of little niggles to sort out with the car. Some of the lights aren't working properly and just daft little things. But she came down to get a little teaser and see what it's like, and she's picking it up this week, or we're actually delivering it. That's what she wants. It's getting delivered. So Chris is going to go out with Scotty, do some final road logs for Remain. Remain's down tomorrow. All the lads are busy prepping stuff in the workshop, so Chris will show you later what's going on there. So for now, guys, I'm going to hand you to Chris.
Right, so you join me in Caroline's R8 with Scotty. So Scotty built this beast, and it's his first time experiencing a twin turbo V10.
It is.
So yeah, let's see how it happens. We're just going to change Carl. Scotty, you don't have to put that on you. See what your reaction to this is. That's Caroline's favourite feature.
That's what it's going to be driven in.
Yeah. That's that. And then we'll get it warmed up properly. We'll go and do some pumps. So, this is medium boost. It's just about clearing up. So, Scotty's first reaction. Let's see what you think.
That's insane. That's a total different level of...
That's just so smooth as well, isn't it? That's medium boost.
Wow.
So what we can do now, go up to high boost. See what you think of that, eh?
Wow.
Impressive, isn't it?
Man, generally just speechless. It's like you hear a noise and then it just pushes you.
And it almost kind of revs like a motorbike sort of thing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Sounds quite high revving, revs for fun, has the power to just keep pushing you along. And I think it's just, you can see why it's such a popular thing, can't you?
Definitely, 100%.
Got no road service, so turn around, I'll just turn it up a bit now there. The road straightens out a bit. Third gear, high boost.
It just doesn't want to stop, does it?
Good news is the brakes are good on these as well. And that is seriously impressive, isn't it? Just how smooth it is. Seriously impressive.
Wow.
Nice car, isn't it?
Really nice.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable, like how quickly it just picks up, but how smooth it still is.
How smooth it still is.
Yeah,
How it
yeah.
just holds it and kind of just continues through each gear exactly the same. Doesn't run out of puff, doesn't
No.
feel like it's lacking anything, it's there when you want it all the time. So that's it, we'll head back. Good news is there was a small rattle from the interior cabin which was a bit annoying. Caroline will fix that for you, Scotty's done that. Yeah, so we're going to get it back. A little bit more drivability with Remain tomorrow, and then she should be ready.
Yeah.
So yeah, see you back at JM. Right, so exhaust nice and hot. Try, without being too loud and too asbo, try and show the pops and bangs properly. So this is on demand, it's on a certain setting, so you don't have to drive like this all the time. But I think Caroline likes the bit of the, I don't know about the attention, but certainly the noise and the you know, that occasion with the car. So I think she'll be using this feature a lot. Got a little bridge coming up. Let's see if I can get her to do it through there. Got the red light. There we go.
Go, go, go.
There you go, that was a big one. That's what it's capable of when it's properly hot and a bit of revs. So yeah, I'm going to put it back into quiet mode now because I think we're going to get a lot of hate. I think we brought the world up. They brought the bridge down. So yeah, right, heading back to GM now before we get arrested. Right, so I've now got the car strapped on the dyno, a Audi S3, and I'm going to get a bit of information from the customer. So this here is Indy, nice to meet you.
Alright mate, how
We
you
are. I hear you watch my vlogs as well, don't you?
Yeah,
So,
all the time mate, all the time.
so you brought your S3 down today for a power run.
Yes, today,
What
yeah.
mods have you got?
I've got stage 1 and an induction kit at the minute.
No
That's
bother.
all I've got, that's all it's running mate.
No
Rest
bother.
delete and that's it.
Yeah, so I think they're about 300 stock, aren't they?
Yeah,
Like about
300 stock,
296
yeah,
for
yeah. I don't know
so
what it's at the minute. I'm hopefully about 390ish, but I'm not
Right.
sure. I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
well,
We'll see what happens.
sounds very strong, so
Yeah.
we'll see. Let's find out.
Yeah,
Got
thank
your
you.
friends here trying to hide and laughing away.
Trying to hide.
Right, so I'll get the camera set up and we'll get some footage of the power run. And
Spot on mate.
yeah, we'll see what you make.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Cheers mate.
Right, so unfortunately not the result Indy was hoping for with his car. We will do a little bit of investigation for him, see if there's any, let's say it could be a boost leak, could be something like that. It doesn't feel like it, but we need to do a bit of investigation to see what's going on. So I'm going to get this car unstrapped. That is the importance of using the dyno when you're tuning. For all we know, this car could have started out with say 20, 30, 40 brake horsepower down on where it should have been. Like I said, we didn't tune it. We don't know if the tuner took any logs or anything like that, so it's up to him really to go back to the tuner and just ask, is there anything that can be done? Or potentially, you know, bring it to us and we'll have a look and investigate for any problems and see where we can get it. But for now, I'll get it unstrapped and get it back to Indy.
So that is all for today guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.